Hi all, I hope you're all doing well. As you can see, I'm here with Councillor Declan Sammon today because we're going to talk to you about the two new Crimestopper zones that have been introduced in Merthyr Tudful. The two zones are in the town centre and Gyrnos. We've identified these areas through engaging with residents at packed meetings and listening to the challenges they face. We understand that people want a quick and reliable way to anonymously report.
The purpose of the zones is to empower everyone to play a role in keeping our neighbourhood safe. Residents in both zones are being encouraged to speak up about criminal activity through Crimestopper's unique reporting service, safe in the knowledge that the information they've provided will remain confidential.
Crimestoppers is an independent charity that gives people the power to speak up and help stop crime. They have a 24/7 UK contact centre which you can call on 0800 555 111, or you can use a non-traceable online form by visiting crimestoppers-uk.org 365 days a year.
This new partnership with Crimestoppers is just one of many things happening in Merthyr Tudful right now to make it a safer place to live and visit. A few months ago, the police launched Merthyr Tudful Together, working with various partner agencies, including the council, to combat antisocial behaviour in the town centre, and we are already seeing positive results. In July, in partnership with South Wales Police, Merthyr Tudful Housing Association and Merthyr Valleys Homes, we also launched Operation Clutch to raise awareness and ask for support from members of the community to share intelligence on illegal off-road vehicles. We're pleased to say that because of this operation, action has been taken against 8 individuals who were identified as having no insurance or licence. An off-road bike has been seized by the police and a stolen bike has been recovered.
Residents have a right to feel safe, whether they're at home or out and about within the community, and we're working hard to make sure that this is the case. We encourage you to report any criminal behaviours that you see via the Crimestoppers number on the screen. But remember, in an emergency, always call 999. That's all from us. Thank you to Declan for being part of this week's update, and I'll see you all next week. Have a great weekend. Diolch.